Wait till you guys check out this spot. It's gonna blow your mind.
This is Fumba, the remnants of an old Creole house. I can't think of a more fitting location to learn the ins and outs of Seychelles' national dish, octopus curry.
Hey, I'm Sashi.
I'm Clifton.
Clifton, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Lovely day, and what a beautiful spot.
Yeah, this is a tropical Seychelles.
So this used to be a traditional Creole house then?
Yeah, it used to be the house from our grandparents before.
Older generations.
Older.
Well, it's a lovely backdrop, but I'm here on a mission to find out more about Seychelles' national dish.
Oh, this is the famous octopus curry.
Yes. So, can you show me how it's done?
So, let's go with it.
Let's dive right into it.
Clifton gets going with the basis of the curry.
Ginger goes first.
Notice a lot of similarities with an Indian curry.
Garlic. Then we have curry leaves, cinnamon leaves. As it becomes a little golden brown, we add the onion, tomatoes. So after the spices, we have turmeric.
That's what gives it that signature yellow pop.
Yeah, the curry powder, coriander, and a little bit of paprika also.
For the heat.
Roast it.
I smell that signature curry smell. Even though we're outdoors, it's just like, wow,
Yeah.
it's so strong.
So we just add a little water and followed with eggplant.
Eggplant, now that's unique. Now is that a Clifton touch or is that a Seychelles thing?
Yeah, I added to the traditional curry, the octopus, so this must be.
Okay, it's a must. Noted. Woo, that looks amazing.
Add a little bit more water and slow flame.
Star ingredient.
Starring ingredient.
Oh my goodness. The smell is just getting more and more intense.
As you know, it's our local spices. As we use the curry, we make it the curry powder. We make it locally.
Okay.
We have it mild, spicy.
Okay.
The turmeric also. We have it the local turmeric, and coriander. We use a little bit also. So there we go. We finish with a little bit of coconut milk.
Oh yes. Wow, so the coconut milk just gives it that thickness, that richness.
Yeah. And we just leave it to one boil.
Okay.
Bring it to a boil. We season it. Some people prefer a little bit of lime.
Okay.
And we go with it. Finishing with a bit of coriander.
Of course.
We're ready to go.
Wow, that was so easy.
Yeah, so easy.
Time to taste it.
Joining me is the head honcho at Four Seasons Mahe Island, Octopus.
So happy to have you here. Yeah, Clifton is doing the hard job, and then we are enjoying his nice food as usual.
And what a spot. This is such a unique location.
Yeah, you really feel it. You really feel that you're in the island. It's amazing. It's unbelievable. And
I'm gonna really quickly interrupt you. Octopus, you're totally used to having octopus on the plate.
of course, of course. Let's try.
Yeah, absolutely. How tender is that? Is the octopus tenderized beforehand to give it that sort of bounciness, playful bounciness?
We're having some tricks, to be honest with you. A very fresh octopus can be a disaster on your cooking when you're trying to cook it directly. There are many people in Mediterranean that are saying they prefer the frozen ones that it already has, the freezer has done the job for them.
I see.
But this is the amazing thing being in a place like that. You're going back to the basics. You never cheat on classics. Clifton provided a dish that her mom used to cook like this, her grandma used to cook like this,
Exactly,
and it goes for time to time.
Yeah, it doesn't have the heat spiciness, but the flavor spectrum sure is there, absolutely. And you're right, the condiments, which I am totally going to dip into. This
If you're
is
a
chili
man,
paste.
yeah,
Yes,
it's a chili.
absolutely.
Watch out, it's a little bit spicy.
Indian heritage, I can
Okay.
handle it. The coconut milk definitely tempers down, gives it a nice, rich, rounded finish, but then the curry leaf just wakes the whole flavor profile.
There's a curry leaf and there's the local cinnamon, which
Yeah, we saw that.
you have the opportunity to taste here.
I got my octopus curry, and let me tell you, it is divine. But don't think my mission to experience the apex of culinary experiences ends here. There's more foodie stories to be had.